Hello, my name is George Runkle. I'm an engineer out of Atlanta, Georgia, actually Grayson, Georgia, a suburb of Atlanta. And I've been an engineer for 37 years. I have a bachelor's degree from the University of Maryland, my master's degree in civil engineering from Columbia University, New York. Uh, my experience with shipping containers, I think, as far as the structural design, is fairly extensive. My first work with shipping containers was in 2002. I was an Air Force reservist. I was called to active duty and sent to Karshi-Khanabad Air Base in Uzbekistan, and we built contingency facilities utilizing repurposed shipping containers, which enabled us to put facilities up quickly, relatively inexpensively. We didn't have to bring a lot of labor on site, which is a good force protection issue. Also, the speed was a very important factor too, because they could be fabricated in a shop, much more control. Since then, I started doing actual design of shipping container facilities in 2007. First one we did was in Atlanta, Georgia on Gartrell Road as a duplex, and we've done quite a number of them since. We've done apartment complexes in Washington, D.C., and also up in New Haven, Connecticut. Did a duplex in New Haven, Connecticut, an apartment complex in Phoenix, Arizona, barracks for Canadian Air Force in northern Saskatchewan province, a couple of different training facilities in the Scatatuck Urban Training Center to include a 5-story simulated hotel, and also a simulated souk. Did a training center for the U.S. Department of State in West Virginia, and did an office building in Tel Aviv, Israel, and a number of other man camps and facilities such as that for the oil fields up in northern Saskatchewan province and northern Alberta province in Canada. What I hope to be able to share with you at this conference is how we've covered the structural issues that we don't have to add a lot of steel to the containers. A lot of the container buildings I see that have been constructed by others on the web tend to use the containers as a veneer, not as a structure. That is a major waste of money. You can save a lot by making use of the containers. It takes a little bit of effort to do, but it can be done and it can save a lot of money in the end and speed up the process. So that's my hope, and I look forward to seeing you. Thank you.